Yeah.
I saw your hands on your mother, boy.
Mommy, what go on?
Greg.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, man. Greg, boy, you can't look for me. No. Come out of the house, no.
Oh,
Come on, when you come over here, it's urgent. Come on, drop everything we are doing and come.
alright, I just have wake up, but I'm going forward right now. Yo, turn you, go on and deal with everything. Go on. You know me, I look a quick ride, you see me?
Yeah, man, deal
Alright,
fast,
go
man.
Yo, Amaziyah The Great again. We're not on time for years again. Yes, so we're moving on, yeah, we got precisely. Yo. Moving on, no matter how them a chop we. Moving on, cause none of them can stop we. Moving on, me see the heat in a chop we. God the power side, none of them can trap we. From up his skull to Amaziyah, change my name and step up.
Mommy, what go on?
Long for see you, my son.
Yeah, long. Mommy, you see me? Poor dog, that dog enough, I'm enough up in our business. So. I told you, I go to see me in the moment, you long to see me?
You sure say I told you?
Yeah, man, the day before yesterday, you see me, till that Easter Sunday, you see me around Thursday.
What? Only Thursday?
Friday, Saturday.
Oh, God.
Or Friday, one of them days you see me.
Oh, God. You know what's that true me I get told? 2 days ago, come
Yeah,
like 2 years ago.
So we are dealing.
Me I deal with love, you know. Hold on there. So I'm to be Easter Bun and cheese.
I love me, I deal with tomorrow. Easter Bun, you know the Easter thing go again. You know, too, you see me. But, me broke. I don't have no money.
Broke your hell? Why you feel broke?
Because...
Something to work with where you not just get paid.
Yeah, but the pitney them, the bills...
Better a girl where you run back and you give your money. I better a girl where you run back and you take your money.
What you talk about now? Which girl that?
You think me not here?
What you talk about?
Me done, I'm here, I'm here, everything what I want.
Yeah, your room when me never know what I want. What you talk about?
Do your mother's son. You know if do your mother's son. You know if put no woman over your mama.
Alright, listen me I say, me not put no, you know me better than that. You know me better than that. And if you know your son, you don't never do that. Bun, me not give no girl and not give my mother. You get to me and say, me just broke. Me can't do better.
No. It's as a matter of fact, you have to go find somebody to look after your pitney them. Cause my mind change. You have to go rearrange.
So, mommy, what you mean by you can't bother keep them again? You know, don't tell me and you no make arrangements say you go look about the youth them for me for the day. Just some business me say me I go deal with them forward back, you know. So what's up with that?
Find somebody to keep them, although my grand pitney them. But no, young girl walk me out all the while. A long time you not give your mama nothing.
Mommy, no disrespect, but look at me. Yeah, me have to touch you. See?
Yeah, my son still and my heart agree, but me have to be tough love, a tough love.
Moving on, cause none of them can stop we. Moving on, me see the heat in a chop we. God the power side, none of them can trap we.
Well, one, Johnny.
There, man, you good?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
This one nice, you know. Ajani, you're not getting none of this in a dog.
But me never ask you for none, brother. I won't blame you.
Why you behave so? I first say bun and cheese.
But Johnny, how much I know this money your father give you?
How that come in, my lad? What that have to do with this?
Yeah, your father jealous, you know. I want a girl me see me, you know.
What you say?
I tell you, say your money I go get less and less, you know.
Good boy, we ain't mind your own business when it will concern you. Go on your man and talk nice, man.
John, phone thing again. Phone. When I can't find something constructive to do. Every single day as day breaks, so phone. When I find some book and read, man, I'm told or some newspaper or something.
What do you remember, Olivia?
Matters not.
Well, I'm Mr. Kirkland, my general.
There, you good?
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself. On the left. I'm telling you, man.
Daddy, you never did that one of sending on a grandma.
You know what she said? John Ostars. No, I make an auntie come stay with him because she said she not going to be able to beat him.
But we big enough can look after ourselves now, Daddy.
Yeah, deal with it.
Nothing. Dry bread, seriously, Daddy?
And a dry bread. A bowl and a piece of cheese. That's all.
Big Easter, and you could have bought bone and cheese.
That's all I could afford, child. This Easter thing and is not my thing, so I still buy something. You get me? You see, the greatest thing in life is to have life and have your family. It's not the celebration of the holidays, but it's more to me like getting together and having a vibe, and when you have a life and you have food and you can come together and have a joy. That is the greatest thing. It's not so much about spending what you don't have and leave yourself broke for the next couple of days or weeks, so to speak. A lot of people do this big massive spending, and when you check it out, they don't have no money for buy food the following week. So think and make a choice wisely. Make that so key. So, like me say, when you're ready, you can go make a bread sandwich or you want to eat piece of bola. Drink some water with it. Yes. Later, because I have a rest, I'm tired. Yes. If only they knew. If only they knew. Give thanks for life, Almighty.
So what you say about the new boy we have, Keisha?
Me say, girl, him skin clean. Is a big man driving now?
John Star is like my mother, she want to mess up my little plan now. Said me can call my big sister with him. I see her with some long birdwing eyelash. I wonder if she can see out of them they good. Bop. Trudy. Okay.
Yeah. Wait, what's on there? Hello, bro, what going?
Hello, sister. How are you doing? I need a favor.
More the money you owe me.
You will be paid. What's wrong with you?
When?
Soon and very soon. Wow, well, my mother, she they done make plans so she go keep the youth them, but you know, say, yo, would you believe, say, all because me not get the lady bun and cheese this Easter? Because me not give her the bun and cheese, she use that to try spite the youth them, because can't be she a spite. But what I can't understand, yeah, she have her son, feel they are Canada and make one bag of money, feel rich in Canada, you know. A floss, me see him on the internet, a floss with girl all about in Toronto, you know. So that Sunday she forgot pressure and stop pressure me. John Star. So you come link me or what?
Alright, bro. I'll be there within an hour.
Anyway, Mark Ras tell me say and Keisha, so I wonder if you wanna go forward come the side here.
No, why?
nothing. Me just ask, nothing.
I know you seem to like my friend, but me tell you the truth. She know your type.
Me say nothing. Are you deaf?
Okay, bro?
What you don't know? Older than you. Me don't even want you know nothing about me and your friend.
So Keisha, what's how we do and just get 10 grand? Just
Yeah, girl, him not even know the size panty when I wear. One nice man, you know, one God-fearing one too. And him not name Bima man, him name Robert.
Alright, Robert. So what on there? Where you know him from?
Girl, I just know him and he come like a long time I know him. And him even say he want married to me.
Slow down, miss. Marriage? In less than a week? You're crazy? This man have something up him sleeve. What you mean by just? What you call just?
Him not live down here, a Stone Hill him live, but him say him do business down here, so you know him do it down here every day.
Be careful of them type of man there, Keisha. I don't like the sound of that.
And you know, so later him come check me too?
Yeah?
Yeah, him come link me a little more.
You see, whenever this man come look for you and it reach down to the bedroom part, you better wear protection, and that me I tell you.
You know you sound bad mind though, Trudy. You sound bad mind.
Me? Bad mind?
Yeah, you sound bad mind.
You talk about me, bad mind? Why you not gonna stick up for the man like you half and pay?
5 grand a week.
It can do something. What you mean by 5 grand? At least I know so the man love you.
That can't do nothing, girl. The man live in a rent house. So me if you go second somebody who live in a rent house, relax, miss. Me a big woman now.
God go with you. Make man take you for idiot.
Yeah, General Mark Ras, where I deal with my lord? No, you know, say, I dem me dep on my wheel, so I go link the one Keisha, cause according to what me I hear, I don't know if the one there cousin, you know. How I ask someone you know me love Sponge, me only but how I ask brother. I love her, man, and she will plan for married, and you know, things can go on with her, man, but I send her the message and I don't see she reply, because I text her and tell her, say, I now have the 5 days where I normally give her. Every week I give her the 5,000, you see me? So I make sure that she not too stray, you see it? I program a bun and make she go get it, you see it? So, she me go page right now, you see me? Big and serious, no joke about it. Honey! Wait, lock pan. How are you going? Oh, you there? Where are you doing?
How are you there?
When you look, say, surprised to see me?
Yeah, I'm never expecting you to come here.
Then Keisha, me then text you and tell you, say, I can't find the 5,000, but I still go carry bun and cheese. And
I see it, you know. I did run a back of the summer workout, so I never see it.
I workout run a back. What going? Keisha, where are you? What the bag of lock thing from the gate for normal, I don't see them thing out, man. What going?
I don't let in nobody, you know. Because all the time I go, you know, I don't let in nobody. I don't take no check.
Anyway, see bun and cheese are still on, you know. Done. So, who be my car this you see?
Okay, my question I tell you, how much people live in a yard? How much people live in a yard? You ask me who be my dad. What kind of question that you ask me? You just act stupid, just relax, man.
I know, sir. Can't let me not even 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
2 minutes now, go justice me.
Please.
2 minutes now, go justice me. Yeah, Tuesday when the curfew thing lift up, man. Just come check me, yeah?
Alright, that's all right then, babe. So I love you, you hear that?
Alright.
It's no, so I love you non-stop, you see it?
Alright.
So you see what I tell me about?
I want to talk about that now, baby. You want bun and cheese?
Yeah, man. I make my next side to you too.
Alright.
You man, them boy, they are fool, you know.
I don't want him.
Yeah, me I tell you say right now, and me soon start there on up in the
And you
hills.
me want, you know me don't want him.
Come
Because
on.
don't tell him say me have my man already, so me don't want him.
Yeah, baby girl, in the life today, I get a for a pretty girl like you. And me for the will, baby. I swear.
I know me don't want him. I don't want him.
You must think me I go listen here, son. Yo, them can't trick me up, you know. This is the thing what happen when them see people happily in love. All type of mix up, them come with a one mash up a relationship. Me love Keisha, Keisha love me. None of them can tell me nothing. We are gonna get married together and live happy family. Yes, Keisha now give me no bun. Believe her. You know, see somebody in the yard, man. That be my man is somebody, man, not Keisha. Me are only man.
Now if we move on now, we are done my curfew set.
Yeah, man. So be one thing I come here say you look out for me. Still not dealing with it?
Don't worry about that, man. I really think half a set, man. But you know, you know, I said, man, you look a business thing, see? And 50,000 all up for me, so I know what you can do for me.
Alright, me going to you still.
Yeah, man, anytime you think come around, man, you know, say, I'm near you. So just see if you can program that. I don't know.
Alright, babe.
So let's say you can program the 50 day.
Yeah, look, I'm going to go check back that that there and see if you can match it up.
Yo, that's why I love you, baby. I tell you, no, man, anytime I make it to them, man, you have to make it to you, know. And me and the up in the hills in our ship, champagne, you know, my friend. You hear me, I tell you, just go and do the right thing, man.
Alright.
Don't know I love you, baby.
You never know some more 50 grand for do something though.
50 what?
So baby, me can't move, so your son so frightened.
B, Keisha. Yo. Time out. Time up. 50,000 like $51,000. $1,000 50 times. Give you $5 grand, I mean, not if you can't find that car. You look like say this relationship based upon money. Me not have it.
I'm not all about money, but me just tell us I want 50 grand.
So I could have what, so your mama dead?
I want to be a baby in a little situation. So me can't, you know? So me have come to you for your money and you have frightened me. Where you frightened me?
You don't have them kind of money. No, sir, no. Find somebody else here. You don't have them money.
You serious, babe?
Well, no, you know, cause I wouldn't want to know say I'm gonna bun with nobody else. Make sure you're not giving a gun, you know.
I'm going to do that, babe.
Okay, that's why I love you, so you come here. I'm gonna say if you can find it. You come here. Sean. Oh, go on. If you ever know me, glad to see you. Come here now, because I want to talk to you up on a level, you know. Yeah, so you're dealing with?
I'm not dealing with nothing. I'm going with
Me know some serious problem. Now look alone. I say I know only you alone can help me right now.
So, I'll tell you about my name, sir?
Well, me did plan for call you, but through me the near about the village, me just say me stop and shout because if it's never important, I would not link.
Well, you could at least they call up women in there. But, what you say you want again?
Me borrow one small loan, 50,000.
Is that so?
Yeah, I get it back.
Well, me not have that kind of money there. And
your school, man, you know you must have it. Man.
No, me not have it.
So you never always have it?
Me not have it, because you know why? When you did have all of this, you never want it. Right? Not never good enough for you.
Nobody bring up that, man.
It have to bring up.
A rumor some people talk.
Well, that's true. But ever since, I don't know rumor because it's true, because ever since Miss Keisha dropping in your life, a bag of things. She good enough. So, no, my money not good enough for you. My good
so,
money not good enough for you.
You can't lend me the money?
No, I cannot. You have to go try and get
Alright, listen. Alright. Sorry about that. Have a good day,
yeah?
Take care of yourself. Yeah, have a good day.
Bye.
Taylor, B.
Where you going with?
Me there, you know, uncle.
Come there and eat some food, you know. So where you deal with?
Boy, me there, I'm going to hold it to the fullest, you know, Taylor.
Well, you have to hold it, you know. All the while, I tell you, say you're a good youth, you know. But you know you have a problem, though. You have to focus on yourself more, Rasta.
You do that, uncle.
No, I don't feel say you do it great enough, man. You need to focus more on yourself and love some look at people.
What do you mean by that? Where you get?
You see some look at people where you help. They don't deserve your help, youth. Because watch you now, no? They are the same one that carry you down, you know. But what? You feel say you good, you do, but you feel love them. Focus on yourself because you come first. Pay more attention.
I tell you, say, I been do that to the uncle. You see me? Right now, alright. I'm not going to lie to you, I understand. So you're going to do food and I'll give me one of them, my lad?
School, my lad.
Okay. See, so watch you now.
Yeah.
My overs where I say because I'm experience some things in my life and we learn. You get what I say?
I'm glad to know so you learn.
But what I really want to talk to you about, thing when I text you and tell you, say, Ray, I want to do a business.
So what kind of business you say you're going on?
You know, say some Easter Bun thing, Miss.
Bun? Let me not check say you bun out the bun thing, my lad. Yo, what you say?
Yeah, but you see, bun thing, it can turn over because you know enough of them people, them we deal with the bun business because you know holiday and them things that them like, you see me.
Well, Rastafari, you hear me say, you know. I'm going to help you on the levels, you know, but pre this, you know. I have to chat to you before I do what I do, you know, because a long time I tell you about these things, you know. I help you before, you know. I'm going to try to help you again. But here we now. You see, on the levels, I want you to penetrate yourself more than anything else. Alright, you know. Every time I help you, I not see no progress. You see, true, you are focused in a different direction. That's why you yourself not see no progress, you know. And when me not see,
You fear see it. You get what I deal with. So, I go do what I do for you. But I want you to stay focused and know say I go want back my own, you know. So
yeah man. Watch on Taylor B. You say you're 50, you might have get a little interest on it.
Well, I'm interested. Yeah, I'm interested. Yes, you can work with it. I'm going to try upon the train as I say. But here we go on. I don't want you make me upon a lame train, I don't my lad. I don't know that, you know.
Yes,
I don't want upon a lame train.
Yeah man, you're good man.
I don't know that, Rasta.
So you're sending 50 to my account?
Yeah.
Alright,
yes. Watch all the phone start ring. I wonder what go on. But like me say, I go take a call off my phone and see a walk on me, you know, because maybe another 50 that I get to. Burner, you wanna, you see that 50 there when me give you for put on? I go want it here, so I go circle your feet shortly. That 50 there when me give you for put on. The money when me give you for put on, man, I go come control the 50 out of it.
You look come on here, send anything to my account.
Alright, me youth, me send it to your account.
Come in, Father Craig. The school of big man,
man.
Yeah, the boss, you know, man. What you say, Craig, man? How are you, man?
So on the on the road, the man them say place lockdown.
Yeah.
Them say a lockdown, so on the on the road, they never have no mask. How I go on the block?
They block till they drop down.
And we yard gate with their hang out still, man. You don't know if anything with us run Ghani.
But anyway, bowling, see?
That's school of Father Craig, man. Big up your
team. No worry on the block.
Easy now. Craig.
You have 2 more of them girls to go for you, so.
The school of Dada.
Team guard and everything. No, man.
Your team global.
And you know Max, man. Max it up, dog. Yeah. Them boys, they are fool, man. Then they have a girl, man. A girl cloud in a Mark Ras. But deal with the girl. That is
knock it.
How are you talking about, man? Right now, you say, because you go down there, Lego, you go Lego. And the girl done that thing like a piece of puppet already, man. Why, the Robert, we see with the damn big man, man. I got some from one day, you know.
That means Craig lose it.
Poor Craig, man. No, Craig, you don't know what I'm going.
Robert, my honey, you know me just get the money from the dummy. But tell her, you know, when girl good. Yeah, so she pay some for me, you know. Alright, me a forward.
What going?
What going, bro?
No, me there, though. I'm going with it.
How are you doing, Tessa? You good?
Good.
No, man, you don't look like you good. You look like something up in here, man. How are you?
Yeah, easy, you know. Trying to start. You know, so me have something for show you though, because, you know, your friend with name Keisha, my girl, you know.
What? My friend Keisha?
Yeah, man.
A joke you make?
No, real thing. But here we go on. Me and her been together for quite some months, and now it go like near a year. Keisha, bro, your friend, yeah, man. But me tell her, so go and keep it on the DL because I don't even want the thing loud up, you see me?
Me and her a friend then, she could have told me.
Yeah, I don't even know if to tell you the truth.
I'm my friend. The
But
first thing you should have do is come to me first and say, sister, no, say me and her this, so I can tell you, say, don't go there with the youth.
Well, upon a level, we are going good still, but I only one little thing I see we go on. I see like a Bima boy on her block. But
Is
she
that a
claims,
man?
oh?
Is that a man?
A tricky, man. She claims
Some
that
really
she
that
don't
come
know.
and start trick you up and say,
Well, she tell me that she don't know how for Bima park up in her yard.
Me
because
say,
more
is that a
people
man?
live in the yard. You get what I say? She tell me that Shana K them and some other tenant live there, could have them come to. So, me don't even know, but the main thing what pressure me right now is like, you know, say me borrow some money from my uncle and make him know we are going on business.
Business with Keisha?
Well, not really with them rob her.
Nobody no rob Keisha. Keisha never yet tell me say nobody no rob her. Me and Keisha are good friend. So you need to check that out.
Yo, right
Nobody
now.
no rob Keisha.
You know, say I show you bad mind.
Show me bad mind?
You know, say you don't want me and Keisha for party.
Keisha not good for you. It's not your type of girl, bro. It's not your type of girl.
Wow. Yo, we're done with the argument.
What you
say, what you mean?
No,
You're
I'm
done
done
with
with
the
the
argument
argument, man. Me
here?
and Keisha good. I'm not gonna mash up my life. Yeah? You're not gonna mash up my life.
Hey.
Good.
God forbid it.
Bro,
I'm good. I'm good, man. I'm good.
I'm gonna call this girl Keisha.
Yo, my family.
Wow.
What go on, fam?
Yeah, great one. Body.
There, you know, on a serious level, you know. You know, true, you're my real family. I make sure, make you know, you know. Man, the one Keisha got married in a dog.
Keisha now go work, brother.
What go on, my lord? You mean she not go work? Then you know me and her good for years, my lord. We govern, my lord. We got married,
The thing looks, it's not a look where you follow up. Like you love an ex-man.
Yeah, so to me.
Yeah. You're in charge of Mark Ras, I want it, man. If anyone want it, you know, take it all over to himself.
Mark Ras. My artist, Virgin. You see him, you told me do the music video for my lord, my artist?
Yes, man.
No, I must joke, yeah.
Mark Ras, man.
Yes, you know, say me know, say you're not going to tell me not lie, my family. Sure no star. That's why I tell us some more time.
Yeah, right. Straight up. I'm just a family. I make you know I say things like that.
You know, say my sister show me a vibe, my lord, and I tell her, say, and she me I tell her, say, yo, I hear too much thing about the beat, my lord.
That sound good. I like the sound.
Right now, all my evidence just coming here, get mash up, because you know, man, yo, John star.
I make you know
John star, John. I've been a hear some things, my lord.
Kill up yourself, you know the woman thing.
I've been a hear some things, my lord. And I tell us, John, yo, I can't believe, say, yo. John star. Yo, everything good.
You can't believe when you see a play down. It's like righteousness out the field down. Some cut off feel here, still go beard down.
Rasta, you there, me yard, Rasta.
How is
My lord, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, on there.
Why? Hello everybody, thanks so much for watching my new Jamaican film, Easter Bun. Mark Ras and I are actually friends. I apologize to my sister because, you know, after all, she was really looking forward for a bigger brother. Keisha ended up went missing and was never found. Robert was later arrested by the cops because he was wanted in connection for a lot of abduction, murders, killings, and various amount of crimes. It turned out to be the car he had was never his. You see, the moral of the story is, ladies, be careful. Never give away what you have for something you are not certain of. Okay? Love what you got, appreciate what you got, and never do things because of the love of money. Never do things for the sake of vanity and greed. Be patient. Wait. Work hard for what you want. Be independent. You see, in life, some of the times it's not who we think of thinking of us, but sometimes it's the good that you do that makes people really appreciate you. Blessings and respect. Like, comment, and share. Tell them precisely. Great way is the gateway.